You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, to learn more Irish names pronunciations that are often mispronounced and very confusing. Make sure to stay tuned. In Irish, it's usually pronounced as Seonaid, Seonaid. Some may pronounce it also, depending on the accent or the local accent, as Seonaid, Seonaid, or the most common pronunciation is as Seonaid, English pronunciation, or Irish pronunciation, Seonaid. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.